Hello, it's Danielle, and today we're going to make some custom flashlights. Okay, so I'm making some really simple, I'm going to put some vinyl on these with each child's name. These are party favors for a sleepover party, camp out party. We're also having a s'mores birthday party later on next month because I have 3 kids that have birthdays right in a row. Whee! So much fun. Anyways, so we're going to start with this. I am going to try to remove this here. We're going to see if that works. I'm going to print some permanent vinyl on smart vinyl using my Cricut. I've got all the names in there. I recommend doing an easy font, bold, so you don't end up with any dots for the eyes. Or not bold, capitals, so you don't end up with any dots. I just did the first name, and it's got to be less than, for this, less than 5.5 inches tall and less than 3 inches wide. And I'll link the product I use. So we're just going to go ahead and cut this, weed it, and then I will try to remove the lettering and then transfer it using transfer tape. Okay, so this logo here is very hard to get off. I tried acetone. I tried acetone. There's something else I tried. Oh, eraser. I did try using a marker or Sharpie over it and then adding the lettering over, which is fine. However, if you take magic eraser and you really work at it, you have to do it for a few minutes, you will get the logo off. So you can see there's still a little bit of residue, but it's mostly gone. You can kind of see it's still there. I'm sure I could keep going, but I don't want to ruin the plastic too much. I don't want it to fade at all. So I'm just going to put the letters over that, and I think it will be fine. But wet magic eraser is the trick. Use permanent vinyl and cut it and weed it with your Cricut. Okay, I'm going to use some painter's tape to transfer this. It's going to work just like normal. We are going to make sure we peel the back off. Assuming I can manage this. We have to make sure it's actually stuck. Just make sure you turn your flashlight to the flat side where you removed your logo and add the vinyl on there. I'm using some painter's tape instead of transfer tape today. Okay, last but not least, add your batteries and screw your light in. And there you go, you're all set. I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much. Check out my other projects on DIYDanielle.com. Take care.